In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert USDT to TRON on Binance. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Binance app, and then at the very bottom middle, you want to tap on Trade. Now, once you're inside here, at the very top, you'll see you have different options. You have convert, spot, margin, etc. You want to tap on convert, which is the third option. There we go. And then over here, you want to basically select where it says from. You want to go from, and then you want to tap on the coin that's currently selected, and you want to find USDT. There we go. When you find it, tap on USDT like this. Okay. And then to, whatever it says, click on the coin, and then you want to find TRON. So TRON is TRX. Let me just find it. There we go, TRX. Okay, TRX Tron, you want to tap on that. And then over here, once you're done with this, you want to type in how much you would like to essentially convert. So for me, I'm just going to go max. I have a little bit of USDT over here in my account, so I'm going to press max. There we go. And then you're going to get an estimation of how much Tron you are going to get. So after you've done this, simply you just have to press trade at the bottom, the yellow button. And after you do this, you've successfully converted USDT to TRON TRX on Binance. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.